Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're like me, you might not have space for a big, bulky ironing board. Well, get ready. This portable ironing mat from BNYD is a game changer. What I love is that this mat is foldable, soft to the touch, compact, so you can put it wherever it fits in your home, whether it's in a cupboard, a storage bin, or a drawer, it's going to fit. I personally can use this anywhere in the home that's available, and it transforms any surface into an ironing board. It has these embedded magnets that can attach to any metal surface. I love the design, and it definitely holds up to hot temperatures really well. I can use this on the ground or my tabletop or my floors, and I'm not worried about any heat getting past this. So if you're looking for a portable, whether it's on the go, it's be great to fit into your travel bag if you're worried about a hotel or a home not having an ironing board. So if you're looking for a compact, lightweight, cute, and practical ironing mat, then I would recommend this portable ironing mat from BNYD. And that's my point of view.